I'm Karen.
I'm Jamie. We are Adventures by the Miles. Today we are at the Bearskin Lodge in Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
In today's video, we're going to show you around the hotel and our room and help you decide if this is somewhere you'd like to stay. All right, welcome to our room at the Bearskin Lodge. When you first come in the door, we have the little bathroom area. Got somewhere to hang. Got the throne and a shower. Nothing special, but everything's nice and clean.
It smelled clean when we came in.
Nice lighting and a countertop. This tickled me when we came in. Salamander capital of the world. I just think it's funny that I have a infographic of the salamander in my room. Mirror. Got a microwave with dials, but it does work. Got a fridge that I can't open. Yay. Everything's kind of got a rustic timber furniture vibe going on, which is cool because we're in the Smokies. All our crap laid out on...
Everything is trimmed out in wood except the TV in the room.
Pretty
Basically,
much,
everything has a, well, like she said, a rustic cabin feel where they're really trying.
I'd say, what, a 55-inch maybe?
55, 65, I don't know. It's big.
We have... Go ahead.
I was going to say, even has a fireplace.
A fireplace. And we have a small balcony with a view of the creek. I guess we can go out there even though it's like 2 degrees.
There's a light up there, isn't it?
Well, okay. I don't know. Don't know how to turn on the light, so enjoy the creek in all its darkness. We have a terribly comfy chair.
Yeah, I think we both have said it. I started to say she'd been in it, but actually I was in it for like an hour.
Yeah. Another infographic of the timeline of the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. So, bedtime reading, I guess.
On a side note, for those that care, each lamp seems to have at least one USB port in it.
Which I thought was pretty interesting because this is not the newest hotel ever.
No, yeah, I was really impressed.
Very cute camping graphic. And we got a king-size bed.
And we both probably shouldn't have been, but we were shocked because when it came in, the room was dark, and we didn't realize there was a love seat over to the side.
Yeah, there's a sofa hanging out over here.
Because we both seen the chair and went, oh, how nice.
And a table for 2 to eat with our dinner already on it. Because, side note, this is the first blizzard of January 2025. What's it, the 10th? And apparently Gatlinburg has shut down except for Luigi's Pizza. Shout out to Luigi's.
I assumed we were in the Smoky Mountains. 2 inches of snow would not scare this place, but apparently they are all hunkering down.
Everybody has listened to the weather service and gone home. But us, we're still here.
And apparently the employees at Luigi's. One last thing that we thought was interesting. I don't know if you can see in the dark, but there's...
hooks?
Yeah, they actually swivel out.
Fold out little coat hooks. Very cute. Forgot about them when I hung my coat up, but, you know, they're very cute.
I was really surprised which we both said in the video, but when we went into the room, how big the room was. It's just a really nice room.
It is. I really like this place just because if you're staying in the Smoky Mountains and you want that kind of Smoky Mountain cabin-y vibe, it's all over the place in this hotel.
And I wasn't sure what to expect because this company has, I think, 3 other hotels in the area, one in Pigeon Forge and a couple in the Gatlinburg area. And I just really wasn't sure. We'd seen some other people on YouTube that had done videos from there. But anyway, it was nicer than what I thought it was going to be.
It really was. I enjoyed it, and they had a really nice breakfast, too, which I was surprised. They had a pancake maker and lots of breakfast sandwiches and stuff. And that's kind of nice because I know you're in Gatlinburg, you want to eat the pancakes. But if you're tired of the pancakes, you can get breakfast.
Yeah, it was a nice option. They had like high protein yogurt and what was it, hard-boiled eggs. I don't know. They actually had some protein stuff, and it was just surprising. There was a selection of stuff. A lot of times you go to breakfast and it's muffins and donuts and toast.
Pretty much.
So they actually put a little thought into it. So yeah, overall, I would recommend the hotel. I was really surprised.
I really would, and it's interesting because it's all the way at the other end of Gatlinburg. You kind of get a different perspective of walking.
Yeah, it's close to the entrance to the national park.
Honestly, it's the end we hardly ever stay at, so that was kind of nice to experience that end of Gatlinburg.
So I would definitely recommend this place if you're ever in Gatlinburg.
So, like if you liked this video, subscribing helps our channel grow, and let us know, do you have any particular hotels in Gatlinburg that you like to stay at? We'd love to try them out.